Hi. Hi. I'm okay. Hello everybody, my name is Carolina and this is Pippin, and welcome to a new episode of My Tiny Home. In today's episode, I will be stripping down walls, I'll be checking the beams, and I will also be realising how bad of a condition my leaking roof is in. But that's all I really can say about that so far, so otherwise, I hope you enjoy the video. It is Wednesday, my dudes. It's actually Thursday. Wait, no, it's not. Is it actually Wednesday today? Oh my god, it's Wednesday today! It's ironic. So, today, welcome back, or hello if you're new here. I think I'm just gonna call him Jasper at this point, because that's the only names. Like, there are loads of cool names out there that I can name this caravan, but Jasper and Casper, they're just there. So me and Jasper, or Casper, still can't decide on the two, have some unfinished business, and there's not really all that much I can do at this point because it's wet and it's cold outside, so I can't work on the outside of the caravan, though the outside of the caravan does need work. So I'm just going to do a couple things on the inside. I need to order a bunch of wood. I still haven't gotten to doing that because I need to do lots of measuring, and I love measuring. I'm awful at measuring. But, yeah, so I'm going to do a couple more things on the inside before I order some wood. So let's get to it. I don't know what that was. Ah yes, I've missed that disgusting cigarette smell. I have tried wearing face masks with glasses, but the reason why I don't wear them very often is because this happens. And then I can't see anything. So I have gotten myself into quite the tricky situation. So as I was saying, the roof needs to be sort of re-primed, repainted, which will help it with being waterproof and just help it all in general. It needs a bit of love, you know? And I'm pretty sure because it hasn't been repainted, because you're supposed to repaint it every couple of years or something from what I understood, or I don't even know, months. And it hasn't been painted in a while, so I think the roof isn't holding up too well, and it's sort of, water is sort of seeping through a little bit. So that's why the fluff, I forgot what it's called, I took some of that out, and it was wet on the top, and so I'm guessing that, you know, snow is sort of seeping through a little bit. But it's not good because it's currently winter. So how is your girl supposed to paint the roof and let it dry if it's, I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to do it, to be honest. I mean, you'll have to have a look, I will have to have a look, not you, on the instructions. I don't know if it will need a specific temperature to be able to dry, but if not, I'm gonna have to order some, and I'm gonna need to fix that roof before I do anything in the inside, because what's the point on doing the ceiling on doing a new ceiling when it's gonna get wet anyway? So yeah, tricky situation. I have been doing the roof. I need it to dry, and then I need to sand it, and then I need to paint it. But the thing is I can only do this in dry weather. I need everything to be dry to be able to do that, and as you may have noticed, there's snow everywhere, it freezes in the night, so I'm not sure how much luck I'm gonna get. But we'll see. I will order the stuff for the roof, because you never know. Today, it's nice, sunny weather, but I need the roof to be dry. Are you licking my neck? So it's getting a bit chillier now. It's getting a bit late now, and I think I'm going to call it down for today. My fingers are getting pretty cold, so calling it quits. But I hope everyone's doing great, and I'll see you tomorrow. You get the point, it's snowing a lot. How am I supposed to work on the caravan in a blizzard? Not what I wanted. I don't think I'm going to be able to do anything with the caravan today. My luck. So yeah, we basically had a blizzard this morning. And it's a bit cold outside. There's at least sun now, but it is a bit cold. Yeah, the roof has snow on it again, which is annoying me, but you know, love that. Yeah. Oh, it's chilly. It's chilly. Which makes no sense because chili is also spicy, but we can ignore that fact. Okay, well, I'm going to probably start working on it again. Yeah, I'm going to carry on tearing apart the walls. Hope you enjoy. It's cold. So you want to know what's quite interesting is, it even though it snowed, the ceiling is actually a little bit drier because it's had a bit of time to breathe. So it's not well, it's still wet in some places, but it's not wet everywhere like it was yesterday. So that's nice. Okay, getting the paint for the ceiling, oh my god, it drove me insane last night. I was trying to find it. I found a bunch, but it's only in America, and I live in the Czech Republic, so it's not great. And then if I found one, I was like, okay, I'll buy one and it will be shipped from America to here. Then it turns out that they ran out and they don't have any, and I'm just going insane. And I was just there at night trying to find paint, and the only ones that I can find are black, which will make the caravan look like a panda, a dirty panda. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna take apart the ceiling again. Enjoy. This, folks, is why you should probably not very often play music while you're trying to work, because I was not very productive this day, as you can see. But hey, I mean, I won a dance-off with myself, but, you know, that's not the point. Hi! So, as you have seen throughout this video, it has been more demolition. The next episode will be more demolition. So yeah, look forward towards that. I decided I'm just going to take apart the walls as well. Because I might as well get all of that done and be able to clean it all up, because like little bits like this didn't want to come off, so I'm going to take everything down. I'm going to clean it all up properly so that when I can add the walls, it will be all ready and prepared, because what's the point in leaving it until much later when I still have to do it at some point. So yeah, I'm going to take apart everything, clean it all up, see what wood needs to be replaced, and then eventually do the roof, and then I can start adding all the wood in here and make it beautiful. So yeah. Pray for me that there's going to be nice weather so that I can do the ceiling. Roof, I mean. Because that would be nice. That'd be really nice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really appreciate you watching and joining me for this process. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.